Hello students, in this video we discuss the JEE Main 2020 problems belongs to thermodynamics in part 2. So let us see this question. Starting at temperature 300 Kelvin, 1 mole of an ideal diatomic gas having gamma 1.4 is first compressed adiabatically from volume V1 to V2, V1 by 16. It is then allowed to expand isobarically to volume 2V2. If all the processes are the quasi-static, then the final temperature of the gas in degree Kelvin is, here nearest integer, this is the integer type question. Suppose let us consider the data in PV graph. To understand the data, we are plotting PV graph. Let A be the initial point having some volume V1, let this be V1, that is compression to V2 adiabatically. So, adiabatic compression is represented by this graph. So, B is the adiabatic compression at which the volume becomes V1 by 16 at point B. Then it is allowed to expand isobarically, means at constant pressure it expands up to point C at which volume is doubled. So, Vc is equal to 2 Vb, that is V1 by doubled means 8, V1 by 8. Now, we have to calculate the final temperature at C. So, Tc is equal to question mark, here we have to find that value. So, A to B, it is adiabatic compression. For adiabatic compression, for A to B process, relation between temperature and volume is T1 V1 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 V2 power gamma minus 1. So, temperature at B, that is T2, is equal to T1 into V1 by V2 whole power gamma minus 1 is given. T1 initial temperature as 300 Kelvin in the data. So, T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin as well as gamma is 1.4, it is diatomic gas. So, we are using this data here. So, T1 300 into V1. So, this is T2 is equal to V1 divided by V2. So, V1 divided by V2 is V1 by 16 whole power gamma minus 1, that is 1.4 minus 1 means 0.4. So, that is 300 into V1 by 16 means 16 in numerator. 16 in numerator means that is 2 power 4 whole to the power of 0.4 means 2 by 5. That is equal to 300 into 2 to the power of 8 by 5. This is up to B. Next, consider B to C process. From B to C process, pressure is constant. Pressure is constant means use Charles law. That is V by T is constant. Vb by Tb is equal to Vc by Tc. To find Tc, Tc is equal to Vc divided by Vb into Tb. So, Vc by Vb is equal to 2, double, volume is doubled from Vb to Vc. So, 2 into, already we calculated Tb value 300 into 2 to the power of 8 by 5. So, this is 600 into 2 to the power of 8 by 5. That is 2 to the power of 1.6, 2 power 1 into 2 to the power of 0.6. I repeat, 2 to the power of 8 by 5 means 1.6, 2 power 1 into 2 power 0.6, that is 1200. Here we know 2 power 0.5 as square root of 2, 1.414. Similarly, 2 power 0.6 is 1.515. So, this is nearly equal to 1818 Kelvin. Hello students, let us consider the second question of thermodynamics in January 2020 JEE main exams. The given PV graph of ideal gas, choose the correct VT graph. Process BC is adiabatic. Graphs are schematic and not to scale. So, this is the pressure volume graph. We have to choose the corresponding volume temperature graph. So, consider the process 3 to 1. 3 to 1 in the given question graph shows 3 to 1 shows volume is constant. Volume constant means A, B, D may be correct. For all these process 3 to 1 volume is constant A, B, D. So, answer may be out of these 3. Further, consider 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3 process, so 1 to 2 process, it is adiabatic process from the question. So, adiabatic expansion, so volume increases. So, adiabatic expansion from 1 to 2. See, so 3 to 1 volume constant, 1 to 2 adiabatic expansion. In adiabatic expansion equation is TV power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Therefore, as volume increases, temperature decreases. T proportional to 1 by V power gamma minus 1. So, volume increases and temperature decreases. That is clearly shown in this graph A. Volume increases, temperature decreases linearly. This fourth option is wrong because here volume decreases, volume increases and temperature decreases linearly. So, this is not the linear fall of temperature. This relation is a fall of temperature in curved form. So, there is a curve for 1 to 2 process. So, either A or B are correct and we have to select the correct one. For that, consider the last process from 1 to 3. In diagram 1 to 3 volume is constant. When volume is, so 1 to 3 volume is constant. So, 1 to 3 the already we explained 3 to 1 and we explained 1 to 2, consider 2 to 3 2 to 3. For 2 to 3 pressure is constant, 2 to 3 pressure is constant. Pressure constant means in volume temperature graph V by T is constant. So, V proportional to capital T. The graph should be a straight line. So, in the graph A, the process 2 to 3 indicates a straight line between volume and temperature. So, pressure is constant. So, finally, we conclude the answer is A. Once again, let us consider from 3 to 1 process volume is constant. So, here volume is constant. 1 to 2 adiabatic compression, as volume increases temperature decreases in curved form, and 2 to 3 the pressure is constant y coordinate. Pressure is constant means volume temperature ratio graph should be straight line. So, everything is satisfied in option A. So, option A is correct for volume temperature graph. So, students, let us consider the next question in thermodynamics. Consider a mixture of n moles of helium gas and 2n moles of oxygen gas. Molecules taken to be rigid as an ideal gas, its Cp by Cv value will be. So, first one is N1 is equal to n moles of helium gas. Helium means monatomic. For monatomic gas, the number of degrees of freedom are 3. So, gamma is equal to 5 by 3. Then number of degrees of freedom is equal to 3. Then Cp value is equal to 5r by 2 and Cv value is equal to 3r by 2. second one is 2n moles of oxygen gas. For oxygen it is diatomic gas. For diatomic gas, gamma is equal to 7 by 5 and number of degrees of freedom are 5. Then Cp is equal to 7r by 2 and Cv is equal to 5r by 2. Then value of gamma for the mixture is the average value of Cp of the mixture by average value of Cv of the mixture. Average value of Cp is equal to N1 Cp1 plus N2 Cp2 by N1 plus N2 divided by N1 Cv1 plus N2 Cv2 by N1 plus N2. N1 plus N2 get cancelled. N1 is equal to N and Cp1 is equal to 5r by 2 plus N2 is equal to 2n and Cp2 is equal to 7r by 2 divided by N into Cv1 is equal to 3r by 2. So N2 means 2n into Cv2 is equal to 5r by 2. N and r by 2 get cancelled. So 5 plus 14 divided by 3 plus 10, that is 19 by 13 is the gamma of the mixture. So answer is C. So students, let us consider the next question in thermodynamics of JEE Main 2020 problems. Consider two ideal diatomic gases A and B at same temperature. Molecules of the gas A are rigid and have a mass m. Molecules of the gas B have an additional vibration mode and have a mass m by 4. The ratio of molar specific heat at constant volume of gases A and B is. So if F are the number of degrees of freedom, F are the number of degrees of freedom, then molar specific heat at constant volume Cv is equal to Fr by 2, is a general formula, Fr by 2. Here consider gas A. Gas A is diatomic gas from the data and rigid, diatomic and rigid. So number of degrees of freedom are 5 for diatomic gas. Therefore, Cv molar specific heat at constant volume for gas A, Cv of A is equal to 5r by 2. Next, consider gas B. It is also diatomic gas and having additional vibrational freedom. Vibrational means number of degrees of freedom for rigid diatomic are 5. Additional vibration gives 2 degrees of freedom for potential and kinetic energies. So number of degrees of freedom becomes 7 for diatomic vibration. Then molar specific heat at constant volume for gas B from the given formula is 7r by 2. Then ratio of molar specific heat of constant volume for gas A to the gas B is equal to 5r by 2 by 7r by 2, that is equal to 5 by 7. So answer is D.